To change your theme within Audacity, you'll have to go to Edit, Preferences, and you're gonna go to Interface section, Display, and you're gonna choose this drop-down menu next to Theme, and you have all of these options. So by default, I believe everyone gets the light theme, and it looks nice, but I like the dark theme as well. So you're gonna choose any theme you like. You can test all of them. You're gonna click OK, and that's that's gonna be it. I will change a theme, but you may have noticed the custom theme option. So if you want to use that, you'll have to download your theme from a third-party website. So I found this one in GitHub, and you can download a custom theme right here. So I would suggest copying this directory right here, and then you would have to choose any theme you like and download it. There's a couple of them that are free, so you would have to paste that directory that you just made a copy of. You would go to this custom folder and you would save it as image cache. And I've tested all of those themes and all of them are currently broken. So I believe that, they probably became broken after recent updates. But maybe as you're watching this video, it has been fixed. I'm not sure. But that's, a way to choose a custom theme, even though it doesn't look that very great as of right now. But that's it. That's how you change a theme in Audacity.